Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg ham sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, and 2 slices of deli ham. Don't forget 1 slice of cheese like cheddar or American. We'll also use a small amount of butter or mayonnaise, along with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. This simple combination creates a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan. You can fry them sunny side up over easy or scramble them, whatever you prefer. Once the eggs are cooked, remove them. Then quickly warm the 2 slices of ham in the same pan for about 30 seconds on each side, just until they're slightly browned. With your ingredients ready, it's time to assemble. First, lightly toast your 2 slices of bread to a perfect golden brown. While still warm, spread a thin layer of butter or mayonnaise on the inside of each slice. This adds flavor and moisture. Now, place the 2 warm slices of ham on 1 piece of bread, followed by your perfectly cooked egg, and finally, the slice of cheese. The warmth will help the cheese melt slightly. To finish, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper over the egg and ham for extra flavor. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top, completing your delicious egg and ham sandwich. For a classic presentation and easier eating, you can cut the sandwich in half, either straight across or diagonally. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.